Okay, I better go ahead and get this thing started because I put them in to see if they fit to begin with, and it snapped in. So we have to get this snap thing fixed. There it goes. There's the snap. There's that right there. Okay, that might be a little more difficult to get in because it's got, no, there. Okay, there, that one's in. That one's in, that one's in. Okay, this was real time, by the way. So let's see how long it takes to put in the 2 screws. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, there's 1. There's 2. There's this. Okay, this is real time. I can't believe it. Okay. And the long part is the one they got from eBay. The short one down here is the one that I had to order myself. Okay. Now, here's this. Screws are in. Bottom's on. Okay, now I'm going to put them back together. Okay. There's this. This goes in here first. Okay. This goes in here next. These things are usually what takes so long to get in here because they're kind of hard. Well, there's 1. Okay, here's 2. This is I always have trouble with. Okay, there's 1. There's 2. Yeah, let's see. Yep, that works. Okay. There's 3. Yes. There we go. There's 3. Okay. Now I'm going to put some soap in it and run a trial dishwashing thing. Okay, that's it.